ముందుగా మీ అందరికీ క్రిస్మస్ శుభాకాంక్షలు. Allow me to introduce myself to you. This is Akshit and I am starting my new channel today, AK2 Creations. ఓకే కమ్ బ్యాక్. ఫస్ట్ టైం నేను ఈ వీడియోని పోస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను. మీ అందరి బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ నాకు కావాలి. సో ప్లీజ్ బ్లెస్ మీ. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, నా వీడియోస్ ద్వారా మీకు ఎంతో కొంత నాలెడ్జ్ అయితే కంపల్సరీగా గెయిన్ అవుతుంది. సో ప్లీజ్ కీప్ ఇట్ ఆన్ వాచింగ్. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ షేర్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోవద్దు. లెట్స్ గో టు టుడేస్ టాపిక్. ఇన్ దిస్ టాపిక్ ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అబౌట్ ద ఎవల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఎర్త్ పార్ట్ 1. In this topic there are mainly 12 stages, namely Precambrian period, Cambrian period, Ordovician period, Silurian period, Devonian period, Carboniferous period, Permian period, Triassic period, Jurassic period, Cretaceous period, Tertiary period, Quaternary period. So let's start our topic. Precambrian period refers to the earliest part of Earth's history. The Earth started cooling and the outer edge of the planet was solidified from molten lava to a solid crust. Water rained from the atmosphere and created oceans. The first form of life on our planet was created due to these oceans. The Precambrian is so named because it is preceded the Cambrian. This is about 4,600 million years ago. The International Commission on Stratigraphy lists the Cambrian period as beginning of 541 million years ago. During the Cambrian, there were more than 100 types of trilobites, molluscs, worms, and echinoderms filled the Cambrian seas. The Ordovician spans 41.6 million years from the end of Cambrian period. Corals and even primitive fish lived in the Ordovician waters. The plant life in the water was red and green algae, but widespread of trilobites disappeared and graptolids came close to extinct. Molluscs, bryozoans and fishes were lived in this period. In this period, large glacial formations are started to melt. It's spanning about 60 million years. This period is also called as Age of Fishes. Ammonites, wingless insects and arthropods also appeared. This period is also known as Age of Amphibians. Carboniferous means carbon-bearing land animals, including primitive amphibians, reptiles, spiders, dragonflies, snails, and more than 800 kinds of cockroaches are lived in this period. Dinosaurs, birds, and reptiles like synapsids and sauropsids are added and lived in this period. The period lasted about 237 million years ago. Dinosaurs in the late Triassic or Chindinosaurs, Lycorhiners, are lived in this period. Reptiles like crocodiles are also lived in this period. This is the period of dinosaurs. The Jurassic period was characterized by a warm and wet climate. They gave rise to the lush vegetation and abundant life. Many new dinosaurs are emerged in this period in a great number. The Cretaceous was a period with a relatively warm climate, resulting in increase in sea levels. These oceans and seas were populated with now extinct marine reptiles, ammonites and rudists, while dinosaurs continued to dominate on land. During this time, mammals diversified quickly. Some of them are bears, hyenas, dogs, cats, seals, whales, dolphins, horses, rodents, rabbits, monkeys. But the dinosaurs became extinct in this period because of asteroids dashing the earth, and Earth's radiation have made the dinosaurs no more. This is the last period in the topic of evolution. In fact, this period is often considered as the age of humans. In this period, sea level falls and rises with each period of freezing and thawing. saber-tooth cats, cave bears, and mainly humans are living in this period. These are the periods that includes the life which begins from the small and tiny bacteria to a big and giant elephant and the intelligent humans. So I hope you all understand this topic. వీడియో నుంచి నీకు మంచి మోరల్ మెసేజ్ అండ్ ఇన్స్పిరేషనల్ పర్సన్ గురించి చెప్తాను. సో డోంట్ నెగ్లెక్ట్ మై ఛానల్. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ షేర్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోవద్దు. అండ్ నేను పెట్టే వీడియోస్ నోటిఫికేషన్స్ మీకు అందాలంటే పక్కన ఉన్న బెల్ బటన్ని యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకోండి. సెకండ్, కరోనా టైం ఇంకా పూర్తవలేదు కాబట్టి సో మీరందరూ సేఫ్టీ మెజర్స్ తీసుకుంటూ సేఫ్గా ఉండండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.